Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, this is Anjali pursuing my degree in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Here we will study the subject of operating system, in that particularly application of scheduling in processing for operating system. In this agenda, we will discuss about introduction, what is scheduling criteria, what are scheduling algorithms. In that we will study FCFS, that is first come first serve scheduling, SJF scheduling. In that we will get SJF preemptive scheduling and SJF non-preemptive scheduling. Next one is priority scheduling, round robin scheduling, and we will conclude the topic. First we will discuss the introduction part. In modern computing, operating system play a critical role in managing hardware and software resources. First we will know about what is operating system. Operating system is an interface between computer hardware and hardware and software resources. Effective scheduling is crucial for optimizing performance, improving responsiveness, and maximizing resource utilization. Different types of scheduling algorithms, such as first come first serve, shortest job next, that is SJF, we call it as SJN also, and round robin, RR, priority scheduling, offer varied approaches to process management, each with its strength and weakness. By understanding the nuances of scheduling, we can better appreciate the complex interplay between processes and resources that defines the modern computing experience. What is First we'll know about scheduling criteria. The first one is CPU utilization. We must keep the CPU busy as possible. In a real system, it ranges from 40% to 90%. And the second one is throughput, number of processes completed per time unit. For long processes, throughput may be 1 process per hour. For short transaction, throughput might be 10 processes per second. Next, turnaround time, the interval from time of submission of processes to the time of completion. Turnaround time is sum of periods spent waiting to get into memory, waiting in the ready queue, executing on the CPU, and doing input output operation. Next one is waiting time, the amount of time that a process spends waiting in the ready queue is called waiting time. Next one is response time, the time from the submission of a request until the first response is produced. Next, scheduling criteria algorithms, that is first one is first come first serve, SJF scheduling. In that we will get preemptive and non-preemptive, priority scheduling, round robin scheduling, multi-level queue scheduling, and multi-level feedback queue scheduling. That is, first we'll discuss about first come first serve scheduling. The process that requests the CPU first is allocated the CPU first. The implementation is easily done using first come first out queue. It follows the procedure of when the process enters the ready queue, its PCB is linked onto the tail of the queue. When the CPU is free, the CPU allocated to the process at the queue's head. The running process is then removed from the queue. What is advantage of the FCFS is code is simple to write and understand. Here I have mentioned one problem, in that we have discussed about first come first out. Next one is SJF scheduling. The CPU is assigned to the process that has the smallest next CPU burst. If two processes have the same length CPU burst, FCFS scheduling is used to break the tie. For long term scheduling in a batch system, we can use the process time limit specified by the user as the length. SJF can't be implemented at the level of the short term scheduling because there is no way to know the length of the next CPU burst. Advantage of the SJF scheduling is it is optimal, that is it gives the minimum average waiting time for given processes. Next one is priority scheduling. A priority is associated with each processes. The CPU is allocated to the process with the highest priority. Equal priority processes are scheduled in first come first serve order. Priorities can be defined either internally or externally. Internally defined priorities are use some measurable quantity to compute the priority of the process. For example, time limits, memory requirements, and number of open files. Externally defined priorities set by criteria that are external to the OS. Next one is round robin. It is designed specially for time sharing systems. It is similar to FCFS, that is first come first serve, but with preemption. A small unit of time is called time quantum. The advantage of round robin scheduling is higher average turnaround time than SJF. It has disadvantage, that is better response time than SJF. Finally, we conclude the topic by the application of scheduling in operating system is crucial for achieving optimal performance and efficiency in process management. By employing various scheduling algorithms tailored to specific needs, whether for multitasking, real-time processing, or resource utilization, operating system can effectively manage CPU time among competing processes. Effective scheduling is a foundation element of operating system that directly influences overall system performance, making it essential for developers and the system designers to carefully consider and implement the appropriate scheduling strategies for their specific applications and workloads. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you.